Hello and welcome to another WSCAD tutorial. We are often asked when project-specific configuration can be useful or helpful, or what problems can occur if all projects are created with active project-specific configuration. I would like to show you this today using an example of potentials with different wire colors. The software distinguishes between program, project, and user-specific project settings. This mainly concerns the settings that are available under Tool Settings options. An overview in table form can be found in the help. Right here you can check which category the respective setting belongs to. For example, we can also see here that part management is a project-specific setting under master data, part. This means that if project-specific configuration is active, part management is only valid for this project if you change it in the settings. First we create a new project, assign a name here, and then have the option of selecting the configuration using the checkbox. In this case, some global settings become project-specific settings. A project file is created in the settings subdirectory in which all project-specific settings are saved. Here we can see our previously created project, in which I have added a feed-in page. The potentials are currently displayed here according to the company standard. For projects with special specifications that define other wire colors, the project-specific configuration should be selected so that the changes to the color settings only apply to the specific project. We can now adjust the potentials under Tools, Settings Options, View, Connection. Here, for example, I can turn our dashed N into a solid line or change the wire colors of our phases. I can then close the settings here and the wire colors are automatically adopted in the current plan. We have now created a project that does not use the company standard, but does not overwrite it. To check, let's open an existing project and take a look at the wire colors there. As you can see, the wire colors there look the same as in our initial example. And if we now go to the settings, we can also see that the settings here have not changed. If not specified by the customer, the wire colors are always used according to internal guidelines. When a new project is created, the old default settings are used again. However, it often happens that the customer requests changes to the wire colors afterwards. You also have the option of changing an existing project to the project-specific configuration at a later date. There are two ways to do this. On the one hand, you can switch the project-specific configuration on and off in the project settings. Or you have the option of doing this for several projects at the same time in the Project Explorer. To do this, select All Projects, right-click Project-Specific Configuration, and here you can switch this on or off directly for several selected projects.